Hi everyone, it's Christina from Christina's Crafts, and I'm going to show you how to make this cute home sweet home Dollar Tree home decor. Okay, so for this project, I got this cute little home sign that I got from Dollar Tree, and I am actually going to paint it. I am going to remove this off of here, and then I am going to paint this whole thing white, including this little home right here. All right, so get this off of here. All right, so then I'm going to paint this in Waverly white chalk paint. Alright, so I have my white chalk paint, and like I said, I'm just going to paint this whole sign because I'm actually going to cover that up. I'm going to do the front and the sides. I'm not going to worry about the back. Okay, I have that all painted, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I have this palette that I got from Dollar Tree, and I am going to paint that the white chalk paint also. All right, I have my mini palette all painted. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is I got these wood beads, and I got a big, huge bag of them from Amazon for really cheap. So if you're looking for wood beads, definitely check out Amazon. I'm gonna use this pipe cleaner here, and I'm gonna put my beads on here, and that's how I am going to paint them. Okay, I have my beads all painted. I did take a little heat embossing tool and dried them real quick. So I have my beads, I have my palette, and I have my house. So these I'm going to set aside for right now. I'm going to dry brush a little bit with this elephant chalk paint on here in the beads and just a little bit on the palette. Okay, so now I'm going to distress this a little bit with this elephant gray chalk paint from Waverly. And I'm just going to take some of my brush, and I don't want a lot on there, so I'm going to dab it till pretty much nothing is coming off. And then I'm just going to dry brush some gray on here. And I'm going to get a little bit more around the edges. All right, and then I am going to dry brush a little bit on my beads here, which you'll see what I'm going to do with those in a little bit. All right, and then I'm just going to dry brush a little bit on the palette. Some of this is going to get covered up, so you're not going to see it anyways. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I have this hemp rope, and I am going to glue this onto the back of here. And then I am just going to wrap this around. I'm going to go up first, then up and down, just kind of randomly around my piece. All right, pull that tight, and then glue this down on the back. Squish it together a little bit more. And then I am going to, I have this little key that I got. I got that at Joann's, and I'm going to put that on there. But actually, you know what? I think I'm going to make a little jute bow to put on there. Or sorry, this is hemp, not jute. All right, I have my bow done. I am going to, I think I'm going to keep this all together in the corner over here and just kind of spread that end out. And then I'm going to put my bow over up here, kind of more in the corner. And then I am going to take the key, just trying to see how I want to put this on here. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. All right, so I'm going to put it in the center of my bow, but I want it kind of sticking up, so got that on there. Let's see, I just want to make these ends a little bit more even on my bowl. What else I'm going to put on there is I got these stickers from Dollar Tree, and I'm actually going to take this Home Sweet Home one, and that is what's going to go in the center of my block here. Just going to try to get it even. Yeah, that looks pretty good. All right, and that is all finished. So then the next thing that I want to do is I have my little palette, and I'm going to use these as feet on here. So, all right, I am actually going to use my E6000, and I always use a Q-tip because I don't want to squeeze the bottle because then it just keeps coming out and coming out. So I'm going to put some of the E6000 on the bottom of my foot, and then a little bit of hot glue. And it's gonna go right here on the end. And then I'm gonna get the other 4 on. Okay, I have my feet all on there. So that is going to sit just like that. All right, I am going to take my little house that I have here, and that is actually gonna go right in the middle of the palette here. So I'm going to take some E6000 and some hot glue to glue that down because I want that to stay. All right, and then some hot glue. And then I'm going to stick it right in the middle. All right, I was just looking for something to prop this up with so maybe you could see it a little bit better. I don't really have a very good angle. Right there would be perfect, but it'll tip over if I do that. So I'm just gonna kind of stand this up a little bit. And I have these flowers that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm actually just gonna cut these apart, and then I am just gonna try to arrange them on the bottom of the platform here. They're just gonna kind of go around the bottom. All right, so I think I have my flowers figured out here. How I'm gonna put them on there. Oop. So this is gonna go towards the back. And then I'm actually gonna curve this one around to the front. Oh, I'm gonna have to put some more glue in there. All right, and then I'm gonna do the same on this side with this one. All right, then I have these little ones that I'm gonna kind of stick like that on there. And the same with that one on this side. All right, then I'm going to take these little guys and kind of stick them in here. Just trying to see which way it'll look best. And then I got these 2 little guys, which I cut a little bit shorter, and I'm just gonna stick them in there like this. Kind of, yeah, I guess I kind of want them down a little bit more. So I'm gonna have to glue these leaves down right here. I want my sticker to be able to show. Alright, and I have this little piece that I'm going to stick in the middle here. Okay, I have these little pieces I'm actually going to stick on the corners here. I think that'll look good. Alright, and I have 2 more flowers left here. I don't know, do I need some here? Oh, I wish I could ask you guys what you think. Or do I need them over here more? This looks kind of bare right there. All right, I think I got it figured out. So I got these 2 pieces I'm gonna stick in here. And then this one over here. This one seems to stick up a lot better than the other one. Okay. then I am going to take these and put them on the sides, kind of towards the back. Right here. I don't think I'm very good at flower arranging, but I do my best. All right, I have all my flowers on there, and then I just have this back part, which I just left the stickers on there and I didn't paint it, but I just thought maybe I would just stick this on the back just to kind of, just in case you see it from the side, there's a little bit of greenery back here. All right, and it is all finished. My cute little home sweet home decor piece that I made using almost all Dollar Tree supplies. Well, that is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you get crafting and subscribe to my channel, and take care. Thanks. Bye.